Hello, and welcome to the Fort Fairfield Public Library. Today's video is going to show you how to use the online public access catalog. Step number 1, you need to go to fortfairfieldlibrary.org. From here, you will click on Search Our Book Collection. This is what the online public access catalog looks like when you go to it. Step number 2 is to create a basic search. From here, you will type the author or keyword into the search box and click Go. Proper capitalization is not necessary, and you do not need to put the author's last name first. Step number 3 has 2 parts. Part A is a basic author search. You will type in an author's name in the search box and click Go. Remember, you do not need to use the author's last name first. You also do not need to use capitalization. I used Lewis L'Amour, and from here you can view a titles list from that basic author search. This search gave me both physical books and videos as well. In step 3B, you will see a basic keyword search. A keyword search provides a list with that word in the title. You will type a subject into the search box and click Go. I have used the word cooking. All of the titles in this list contain the word cooking, as you see. Now in step 4, once you've chosen a book and clicked on that book, there are 3 ways to reserve it. One way is to click on Reserve in this top right-hand corner and type in the barcode number on your library card and your password as well. You, of course, can get your library card from the library, and anyone there will help you set up your account. You can also call the library at 207-555-3883, or you can send them an email using library@fortfairfield.org. For more videos that will be coming to you soon, you will learn how to use an advanced search, a combo search, and a media search. We will learn how to narrow down our searches, and then we can use the compare to see what other libraries have if our library doesn't have what you're looking for. And we'll also eventually learn about interlibrary loan, which is when you can get a book that the Fort Fairfield Public Library doesn't have, but another library may. Please see my references below. Thank you, and have a great day.